Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2023 Cadillac Escalade ESV Sport in Crystal White Tri-Coat. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 16-inch touchscreen, navigation, dual pane panoramic sunroof, SEATBACK video screens, power liftgate, 6.2-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number 903638.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.